Yes, honey, you are just in time for the show, and it's going to be a good one. I was sent this PR package from Madam Glam. I'm excited because I've never tried it before, and this is what they sent. Three beautifully bright summer colors: bright Barbie pink, kiss on the cheek, neon lime green with a base coat and top coat. Summer is going to be lit with these colors, so let's get this party started. I hope you enjoyed the show. So this is the design part of the video, and with the colors that came, I decided to do a tropical glass look, and I couldn't believe how nice they turned out. I start with neon lime green on the thumb and pinky, and all middle three fingers will get colorful and swirly patterns. These bottles are 15 milliliters, so they are a good size and will last a while. I'm also still loving on the color tags on top of the bottles as well as the labels. What I did notice is, I think this is my first realizing that the color of the polish is an exact match to the labels, because usually there's a shade or two variance. So I'm very impressed. Now, as you watch this, it will be sped up because it definitely took just a little longer to complete the design. And some parts are chopped because, as you'll see, I couldn't keep in camera frame at times. But the important thing is how they turned out, right? So just watch and see, and I hope you enjoy.